Hi guys, I got a couple of packages in that I thought I would share. We'll see what this is. Okay, so this is a charm. Now, I might actually already have this color. I think this was in my basket from another time, and I ordered some other stuff. I think I made a mistake and got this twice, because I think I have this color, but it's cute, isn't it? All right, so that's that. And then let's look and see what this is. I think this is a Poshmark. All right. Okay. Let's make sure there's nothing else in there. Yep. Okay, so let's take a look at this beauty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. It's a vintage Coach, and it is so soft. Oh wow. Oh, that's so nice. This is very well kept up. I guess this is vintage because I can't really tell, because sometimes they like reintroduce a style, so I don't know if this is or not, but it's so nice. It looks so good. I'm thinking maybe this isn't, but I don't know. So I don't know how to read these. I'm thinking this might be old, because it seems like there's more numbers and all that. Because see, there's a way that you can read the date and all that kind of stuff, where it was made and all that. And it seems like this is a simpler one. So if this is old, somebody did a really good job of keeping this up. I mean, I don't see where I have to do anything. Like, usually you have to at least clean it a little. I mean, and then with the light color of this, and it looks really great. I am really happy. Now, I thought it looked good from the photos, but you never know. But wow, this is nice. I love the feel of this. It's just really nice. I'm going to have a good time. I'm gonna really enjoy this. And I've said this before. It feels like a leather jacket. Love it. Let's take a look. So somebody extended it, I guess. And wow, this was very well kept. I want to say I paid like $65 for this. It's really nice. But I thought that I would share that with you guys. This was a really, really good find. All right, y'all tell me what you think. And I will... Oh, wait. Does that go with this? Look at that. That could go with that. I mean, I know this is gold and that's silver, but still. It's kind of cute, huh? I would still do it. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.